Hello, my dear class 7 student, all of you welcome back to online video class. Today our subject is Maths 2, our chapter 16, topic is perimeter and area. Now let's see what the exercise number is 16.1. Now let's see what is the perimeter. It is mentioned about the perimeter. Firstly, we are going to discuss about this perimeter. Now that's why now let's see what is a perimeter. The sum of the measures of all its sides is called perimeter. That means perimeter, for finding the perimeter, we require one figure. If there is one figure, there will be some side. That means, suppose let's discuss about the triangle. It is a triangle. If we want to find the perimeter of this triangle, we need to add. Add means plus. We need to find the sum of all these sides. Then if any figure bounded by four sides, it is a four sides or it is a rectangle. If we want to find the perimeter of this rectangle, we need to add all the sides. That's why the sum of the measures of each side is called perimeter. Don't forget anymore. Okay. Then again now, let's see. For two figure, I'll give the formula for finding the perimeter according to this chapter. That means related with this chapter, there is only two figure. They are rectangle and square. Now let's see. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 holding length plus breadth. That means is equal to 2 holding L plus B. That means L is denoted length, B is denoted breadth. Then therefore this one is the formula for finding the perimeter of a rectangle. Then again next, perimeter of square is equal to 4A, where A is equal to one side. It is mentioned about the square. Square means all the four sides are equal in their length. It is called square. That's why if all the sides are equal, suppose as an example, it is a squareless thing. If it is 2 centimeter, then if this figure is a square, all the sides must be 2 centimeter length. All this will be 2 centimeter. That's why among these four sides, we can take only one side. That's why A is denoted one side. Okay, this one is the formula for finding the perimeter of a square. My dear student, you need to get by all this formula. Without formula, we will not be able to calculate. Moreover this, let me say, open page number 204. Open page number 204. There is one table at the right side of the page number 204. Table number 16.1. There are some formula again. That means number 1, equilateral triangle. Perimeter also already given here. Number 2, isosceles triangle. Number 3, scalene triangle. Number 4, rhombus. Number 5, parallelogram. For these 5 figure already given, even perimeter also. All this also you need to get by heart, my dear student. Now let's do exercise 16.1. One question. Question number 1. Exercise 16.1. Open. All of you open exercise. Page number 205. Exercise number 16.1. Question number 1. Roman number 1. Now, I'll not write the question. Let me read the question. You have to listen carefully. Question number 1. Find the perimeter of rectangle ABCD given that, what are given? Some datas are given here. AB is equal to 13 centimeter. BC is equal to 8 centimeter. That means Roman number AB is equal to 13 centimeter. CD is equal to BC is equal to is equal to 8 centimeter. Already given in the question, this one. Now we need to find. What is needed to find? What does question want to find? Question want to find the perimeter of this figure. Now it is given about AB two side. That means if it is given about the length of two side, you have to know that it is rectangle. Already I have given only two formula. One is for rectangle and second one is square. But how do you know without mentioning about the find the perimeter of rectangle or find the perimeter of square? This question, it is mentioned about the rectangle, but if it is not mentioned about the rectangle, how do you know which one is the square, which one is the rectangle? If the question has given about two value, you have to know that it is rectangle. If it is given about only one value, you have to know that it is square. Okay. Now let's see. Let's calculate. Let's solve. Now we need to find the what? Perimeter of the what? Rectangle ABC. Now perimeter of rectangle ABCD. Then again, what is the formula of the perimeter of rectangle? Already I have given, already I wrote. Now let's see. Perimeter of the rectangle is equal to what? 2 holding length plus breadth. You have to follow me. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 holding length plus breadth. Now let's see. 2 length is denoted, already I said length is denoted L. L plus breadth is denoted what? B. B. Now 2. L is equal to how much? The larger number will be the value of L. That means 13 centimeter. 13 centimeter plus VC. B breadth. Breadth is equal to how much? 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. That means 2. Between these two numbers there is plus sign. That's why we are going to add together. When we add together 8, 9, 10, 11. 1 in hand. 1 plus 1 equal to 2 centimeter. But I keep some gap here. Why? Because of this bracket. Between this number there is no sign except bracket, isn't it? That's why this bracket is denoted multiply. Then now let's multiply. 2 1 is 2. 2 2 are 4. 42 centimeter. 42 centimeter is the perimeter of the given rectangle. Can you understand? I hope that all of you can understand. That's why the remaining question means your assignment is question number 1, Roman number B. So sorry, it will be A according to the question. B, C, D, E. These 4 will be your assignment. All this answer you have to send me through your group, our group WhatsApp. Thank you all.